So this is my first time in a symposium. I'm a little nervous. This is new for me.
I'm excited about learning more about disability and faith, disability and higher education.
I'm just excited for the connections, to learn from more people.
I'm excited to learn. We bring different points of view to the symposium.
Getting to meet people who have the same values and interests in advocating and supporting and empowering persons with disabilities and their families.
The community here is one of the most welcoming around. Vanguard brings out the best in people. It's very warm and it's very positive.
We have been thinking about you and praying for you and planning for you and just so excited to welcome you.
It is an absolute delight to have with us Dr. Stephen Bean, who is the Orange County Superintendent of Schools.
I contracted polio at the age of 2, which left me paralyzed from the waist down. When I was in high school, I had classrooms on the second floor, and I'd roll up to the bottom of the floor because there was no elevator, and there waiting for me was 4 of my friends. They would lift me up and get me up those stairs every day to class. And one day I asked them, why'd you guys do that? And they said, we lifted you up those stairs so that you could get to where we're going. We must all come alongside one another and lift our students with disabilities and lift all of our students over those barriers that they face, because we want them to feel a sense of belonging and to get to where we're going. Thank you very much.
Accommodations will get your feet in the door, and inclusion will allow you to sit on the table. But belonging is really the thing that will make people say, I want to be in this school. I want to be in this community.
The best thing that we experience at church especially is when people include her. But it's not just that I ask, like, can I bring Kara? It's like, oh, are you and Kara free? It's not me with my sister. It's, people acknowledging her. What I would want people to know is that, like, if you treat her and value her as an individual, it really does spread to other people.
I think we underestimate all the time, we underestimate God and what he could do. We underestimate who God creates and what they can do. I just believe that if we'll start to believe in these kids and the possibilities, we'll be conduits. We'll be amazed at what we'll begin to see.
What I'm taking away with me is just a hunger to support families and parents who have kids with special needs.
There is an importance of having a sense of belonging, and the love that people shared by sharing their stories, their experiences in the classroom, and their life journey. I think it's so important.
So leaving here today feeling reassured, feeling confident, it's very supportive. It's kind of like being among family and friends.
It was made with a lot of love from start to finish. It's perfection.
I felt like a lot of encouragement. I heard a lot of wonderful testimony about people who, in their weakness and their struggles, have found meaning, fruitfulness in their life, God at work all along the way. Everybody needs to know that they're delighted in.
We gather today to reaffirm some common principles that are easily forgotten. That every person is infinitely precious. That every person is made in the image of God. That every person belongs.